Okay, so we would like to explain how to do the very last edge. And pretty much what I would like you to notice here is that when you finish the 11 edges, the very last one will be either finished, in which case you can skip this video, or it will look like this, or it will look like this. Okay, and there's one algorithm which is a little long that you will need to learn in order to resolve this. So let me begin actually with this one. And let me tell you what kind of moves this algorithm has. So in this algorithm, I will be either rotating individual layers like this, in which case I'm going to call them the usual name. So that will be R, this will be R prime, this will be L, this will be L prime, this will be F, this will be F prime. Then I have the one in the back this will be B, this will be B prime. Or I will be rotating 3 layers at a time. And you will see when we do the other cube that we might be rotating 2 layers at a time. The ones on the side. Okay. So in this case, I will denote this on the description of the video by RW. So this will be RW. This will be R prime W. This will be LW. This will be L prime W. And in particular, these are the only ones that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use RW, R prime W, LW, L prime W. Okay. And yeah, I will write the algorithm in the description and you will need to learn this algorithm. So as I told you, for the other cube, you will see that I'm also going to use just the 2 layers. So this will be my RW, this will be my R prime W, this will be the LW, this will be the L prime W. So in some sense, the W is common notation here. I don't know if it stands for the word width, so meaning how many of these layers you actually rotate. But in any case, so here's how you do it. You always keep the edge that you want to solve on the top in front of you. And then you do the following algorithm. So you start with RW prime. I'm sorry, RW2. Sorry about this. So this is RW2. Then you do a B2. Okay. Then you do a U2. Then you do an LW. Then you do another U2. Then you do an R prime W. Then you do another U2. Then you do RW. Then you do another U2. Then you do an F2. Then you do an RW. Then you do another F2. Then you do L prime W. Then you do a B2. And finally, you do an RW2. And the whole thing has been solved. Okay, if I redo the algorithm, then I'm going to have the same thing, the same picture that I had before. So let me do it two more times so that you can see it. And here we are. So we got exactly where we started from. And now let's do it once more so as to solve it. And that's it. Okay. Once you have understood this, knowing how to solve this, which seems a little more complicated, is very, very simple. Because if you do this algorithm now for these layers, then what will happen is that this will become orange and that will become orange. So you will be back to the first case. Okay, so let me show it. So you do this, 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 this. So you see, I keep working with two layers. And that's it. So now we're back to the first case that we have. So now you will have to repeat this for three layers. So let's do it. And we're all set. Okay. So that's how to do the last edge. And as I told you, and maybe it's a good idea to show it for the 7x7 and for the 5x5. Certainly, when you do these things, you're done. For the even sided cubes, there are two more things that you may have to do. But now, all I would like to show you real quick is that this can be solved as a regular 3x3 cube. So you will see I will not disturb any edges or any centers. And pretty much I start by doing the cross. And now I would like to do the second layer. I'm not doing it in the most efficient way. I'm using some F2L algorithms. So here I did this corner. And yeah, let me see. I can do this one. Also, this cube doesn't turn too well, but shouldn't. So here's one more corner. And what else do I have? I don't know. So this one. Uh, there are better ways here, but allow me to do this slower way. Exactly because it doesn't turn so well, um, have a little trouble applying the faster algorithms. And I have one more corner to finish. Okay, so here are my two layers. And now, let's not be very original. Here is my yellow cross. What's again? I'm doing the beginner's method for this. If this cube was turning a little better, I wouldn't be doing this. So I finished the edges, and let's see what we have here. Let's do the what I like to call the Under Armour algorithm, bring everything to the right place, and now we're ready to turn it around and finish it. So very, very elementary methods being used here. And I think we're all set, right? So this does it. Good luck. I hope you're enjoying solving the 7 by 7, 5 by 5, 9 by 9, 11 by 11, whatever odd order you can solve it with these instructions. And I'm going to do another video for what extra is needed for the even sided cubes. Thanks for watching.